good morning. Casey Ashmore coming to you from the studio today. And, today we're going to be talking about some things that have to do with really any kind of legal situation, and that is hope and perseverance. I'm going to talk about some real life scenarios where clients have given up hope and they let the pressure of the litigation jeopardy that they had put themselves in really overcome their wherewithal, their self-control, their restraint, and just blew up panic attack and made a bad but not unworkable situation so much worse. So hope and perseverance are hand in hand. What you have to persuade your client, and for lack of a better word, you got to sell your client on hope and perseverance, and also yourself, right? But you, the client, must not give up hope, and you must keep persevering, right? I mean, this is what this sign, I've got t-shirts made with that flag on them because that's what that means, hope and perseverance. And, without those two things, we'd all give up, right? We'd all give up on everything. And the challenges of remaining hopeful and persevering are failure, right? And worse than failure, right? Just catastrophic collapse. And we've all seen friends, family members, loved ones, what have you, people who have given up hope and what that does to their mental psyche, and people who stop persevering, what that does to what they can accomplish. How many great, talented people, friends, family, loved ones, ex-boyfriends, girlfriends, husbands, wives, have we seen stop persevering? And, persevering is so critical. One of our presidents, Calvin Coolidge, said that it among everything else was omnipotent, right? It means it was all powerful. Persistence in itself is all powerful. So the absence of persistence, we're talking catastrophic failure, a systemic failure that you cannot recover from. You're unable to overcome the doubts, the lack of hope in your own mind, and then you stop trying, you stop persevering, and you lose all power, right? And that's absolutely something you cannot do in any kind of litigation matter. I don't care what it is. If it's a probate matter, if it's a family law case, especially a family law case, criminal matters, especially criminal law matters, and civil cases that can be so financially and emotionally exhausting. But if you give up hope and you stop trying, you stop persevering, those are all lost, right? They are completely lost, and you will have a very, very difficult, if not impossible, time getting momentum back, right? And overcoming that failure of hope and failure to persevere, because lawsuits, criminal, family, I'm going to focus on some criminal examples, but they have one challenge after another, just one challenge after another. The first of which is you just got smacked in the face with a lawsuit, right? For if it's in a criminal context, it's a lawsuit regarding your criminal conduct, right? Where you are the sole focus of an investigation, and worse, that your government, your political subdivision, whether that's the U.S. Attorney's Office in whatever district you live in, or the state district attorney's office in whatever county you live in, has focused all of their unlimited resources, mind you, I said unlimited resources to convict you of some allegation. That is a crushing amount of pressure, and it's really hard to maintain hope and persevere under that kind of pressure, especially when there are multiple charges, especially when you're a repeat offender, especially when you're poor, especially when you're black, especially when you have a court-appointed lawyer, you're Hispanic and you don't speak English, right? These are things that can be absolutely devastating. How do you maintain hope and perseverance in these scenarios? And we're going to focus on that. Thanks again for joining us in the studio. Please like, subscribe, and share. I love doing these videos for you, so I welcome all comments. We'll see you in the next one.